The Wise County Sheriff's Office is searching for Athena Strand, white, female, 7 years old, height 4 feet 0 inches, weight 65 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen at 5:45 p.m. on November 30th, 2022, at 200 Block County Road 3573, Paradise, Texas, last seen wearing a gray long-sleeve shirt with white flowers, blue jeans with white flowers on the pockets, and brown boots. Has pierced ears, but no earrings and 2 red birthmarks on lower back. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Wise County Sheriff's Office at 940-627-5971. News media point of contact is Wise County Sheriff's Office at 940-627-5971.